They mourn their dead, recognize themselves in mirrors, and even hold grudges. Elephants may be massive, but their intelligence, that's what truly makes them giants. Let's explore why elephants are way smarter than you think. When most people think of elephants, they picture a giant, slow-moving animal with big ears and a long trunk. But what they don't realize is, behind those gentle eyes lies a mind that's emotional, social, and surprisingly intelligent. Today, we are going to uncover the astonishing cognitive abilities of elephants that prove they are not just powerful, they are profoundly smart. Number 1. Elephants have huge brains. Literally. Let's start with the basics. Elephants have the largest brains of any land animal. Their brains weigh around 5 kilograms, more than 3 times that of a human's. But it's not just size that matters. Elephants have a highly complex neocortex, the part of the brain responsible for problem solving, memory, and emotions. In short, their brains are built for deep thinking. Number 2. Their memory is almost superhuman. You've heard the phrase, "An elephant never forgets." Well, it's basically true. Elephants can remember the location of water sources, migration paths, and even faces, years after seeing them. Matriarchs, the female leaders of elephant herds, use these memories to guide their groups safely across vast landscapes. Even through droughts and dangerous territories, their memory literally keeps the herd alive. Number 3. Elephants have their own language. Elephants communicate through a rich combination of vocalizations, trumpets, grumbles, rumbles, and even infrasound. Sounds so low, humans can't hear them. These deep rumbles can travel miles through the ground and air, allowing herds to communicate from far away. Some scientists believe these sounds may function like a complex language, with distinct calls for greetings, danger, and even mourning. Number 4. They recognize themselves in mirrors. Mirror recognition is a rare trait, only seen in animals with self-awareness, like dolphins, great apes, and elephants. In tests, elephants have shown they understand their reflection is themselves, not another animal. This is a huge marker of cognitive sophistication, placing them in an elite group of intelligent beings on Earth. Number 5. Elephants are deeply social creatures. Elephants live in tight-knit family groups, led by a matriarch. They form strong bonds with one another, and studies show they demonstrate empathy, cooperation, and compassion. They comfort distressed companions by touching them with their trunks, and even appear to console one another after stressful events. They aren't just social, they're emotionally intelligent. Number 6. They mourn their dead. One of the most touching displays of elephant intelligence is their reaction to death. When a herd member dies, elephants often gather around the body, touching it with their trunks and standing vigil in silence. They've even been seen returning to the bones of deceased elephants years later. This suggests a powerful sense of grief, memory, and perhaps even spiritual awareness. Number 7. Elephants solve problems creatively. Elephants have been observed using tools, like branches to swat flies or bark to plug holes in water containers. In captivity, they've even figured out how to stack boxes to reach food or unscrew latches to escape enclosures. These aren't trained behaviors. They're real-world demonstrations of problem-solving and adaptability. Number 8. They understand cooperation and teamwork. In controlled studies, elephants have passed cooperative tests that require them to work together. For example, in one test, 2 elephants had to pull ropes at the same time to get food. If one pulled too early or alone, the food wouldn't come. They learned quickly and waited for their partner before acting. This shows not only patience, but strategic thinking and teamwork. Number 9. Elephants adopt and protect orphans. When a baby elephant loses its mother, the rest of the herd often steps in. Elephant aunties help raise the orphan, protect it, guide it, and ensure it's cared for. This nurturing behavior isn't instinct alone. It's a display of empathy, social responsibility, and cultural learning. Number 10. Elephants might be more like us than we thought. Recent studies suggest elephants may even understand pointing gestures, remember human voices, and distinguish friend from foe. They've been observed quietly avoiding dangerous areas, holding long-term grudges against abusers, and even showing affection toward people who have helped them. Their intelligence isn't just about survival. It's about feeling, relating, and remembering. So, why are elephants smarter than you think? Because they think, they feel, they plan, they care. Their minds are not just advanced. They're deep, emotional, and relational. Elephants aren't just symbols of strength. They're living proof of nature's brilliance.